guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. Do not enter this gate present. For real, is that dogs, beware dogs, do not enter this gate. So I knew he had pets because I did my screening questions. Okay, I just had that question in our mentorship group. Our screening questions. Me, y'all, sorry. But anyway, so he did put them in a room. They were going crazy when we first got there. Then they calmed down, and occasionally they would hear my squeaky voice and then kind of get riled up again. He was like, they're friendly, they won't bite. I said, no. I had to ask him. I said, no, how do you know that?
He said he guarantees.
He guarantees. Yeah, he said, what did he say, Jeff?
I guarantee
I guarantee it. Let me see, can I do like that?
Like that.
He said, I guarantee they won't bite.
Like that old cook from the Creole or Southern. I guarantee. That's what
I guarantee. You can't guarantee me nothing. So he guarantees they wouldn't bite, right? So I said, how do you guarantee that? So he said, no, I promise you they wouldn't bite nobody. They're going to jump on you. And I was like, they ain't going to do nothing with me because I'm out of here. I was going to send Jeff in there when I saw the sign on the gate. Jeff said, I ain't going in there. So Andrea said I had a deed of trust. My first tip of $75. Go, Andrea. Oh, my God. I'm so proud of you. Andrea was with us for a moment in mentorship, and we missed you too, girl. She had a deed signing, tip of $75 because I did it at the close of the day thanks to the mentorship. Oh, we thank you, Andrea. Andrea's actually did some jobs for me too. Y'all know I don't give my jobs to everybody, but Andrea, I gotta remember you too, Andrea, because sometimes, you know, out of sight, out of mind, you forget people. Not like that, but you do, you know, because sometimes I still be having work that I can give somebody. I gotta remember you, Andrea. I got you though. I answered the phone for the client. His words, asked my screening questions 1 mile from home. Get out of here. Go ahead, Andrea. And got a $75 tip. That's what I'm talking about. S. Thompson is saying congratulations. Yeah, so we had a few more tips from this signing though. So again, we did a buyer's package, just recapping, 160 pages times 2. Got to print 2. We got to take it back to FedEx. We're going home and scan it now. I'll take you through that process a little bit. Got to go home and scan it, and then don't forget your initials. This particular package had, oh my goodness, it had 30 pages that needed to be initialed, a couple of little initials within the package, and then I always do a double check at the table. Fortunately I did, because it was one little document that needed the state on it. It just needed AL on it, Alabama. It needed the state. So I always do my double check. I'm going to check it one more time before we scan back. I'll do that with y'all live while Jeff is getting the scanner ready. Let me show y'all my shirt if you've not seen what I wear on appointments. This is my None Better one. I have, of course, Notary Educator shirts, but this is for None Better. So I'm always advertising. Then I have my flower. People love these shirts. These are not my favorite. Well, actually, it is one of my favorites, but I have another one that's black with silver. Oh, that's my favorite. And people go crazy when I wear my pink shirt. So always advertise your business, okay? What other tips about the buyer's package did you have, Jeff? Oh, I did prepare my package like Jeffrey mentioned earlier. Even though I'm a trainer, I've been doing this forever, I still sticky my packages. I've been doing it for years, and I still like to sticky my packages. I like to prepare my packages. That way, even like today, we took off a couple of the stickies, but I already knew what was in the package, and you don't always have time to prepare. You don't, but I try to always prepare. Oh, thank you, S. Thompson. I appreciate it. Thank you. So yeah, I always prepare my packages though. If I have time, it's very, because a client just asked us, he said, how many of these do you do per day? So when we first started doing the pandemic, and we'll do more than one loan modification per day because those are easier. We'll do like 3 to 4. It's not our preference. Our preference is like like 2 or whatever, and then fill it in with some general notary work. But some people will do 5 or 10 a day. I cannot. I've never been that person. I don't even teach you to do that. What we teach you to do is like at least every 3 hours. Because like in this case, we could have took our scanner, but we decided not to because again the package is so big. So Jeffrey wanted to go home. So this signing was 15 minutes from the house. And again, it was scheduled this morning for 10, but that did not happen. And I wasn't getting ready to just run out when they said it was ready. So I told my client, hey, you got 2 choices. I gave him 2 choices of the time. He picked which one he preferred. It was a half-hour difference. And then we had to print 2 sets. So a lot of times y'all getting out here trying to be slick and only printing on, trying to print all legal, all letter. This package was mixed. It had legal and letter. And Jeff gave a nice tip last week about the barcode. Did you want to recap that really quick? He gonna tell you about the barcode on documents because this one had a lot of barcodes. So hold on.
So I mentioned before the company that I worked for 20-some years. I dealt with auditing processes or departments, and one of the departments or areas was when the company dealt with insurance. In particular, one part of the business was homeowners insurance. The name of the company is Assurant, and I've been there for 22 years. And on the bottom of, because it was one of the major mortgage companies, PNC, at one point I worked or was able to get handle all those different portfolios, Chase, Truist, stuff like that. So what happens is that when the paperwork is brought in or mailed in or what have you to the company, to like, let's say our main office, and they got a mail room, and you open up the package and then you run it through a machine that scans the documents, and it's got the barcode there on the bottom, and it probably connects it to the account, and it will read the lettering, the numbers and stuff like that to make sure, let's say for your expiration date of your policy, how much your insurance is, all those different things. And if something is off, then it kicks it to another department where a person is sitting at the monitor and he has the picture of the document. Let's say it may be kind of blurry or what have you. And then on the left side, on the other half of the screen, is what you have to make a choice. Let's say it was the difference between the 3 and a 4, but it looked kind of weird on the document. So you're looking at it as a human, and you say I'll choose the number 3, and that puts it back into the system for it to be scanned again and to update your account. But the reason why I was talking about that is the importance of making sure that your documents, when you're signing, that it's clear, that it's neat, because that can minimize problems down the end. Because sometimes what would happen is the document was so bad off that we'd have to reach out to the client, reach out to the homeowner, and that would get shipped to another department where they would reach out and say, hey, Mr. So-and-so, we got your policy, blah, blah, blah. Who's your insurance through, or something to that effect, something like that. So just make sure that your documents, that when you're signing, that everything is neat. And that's where that barcode on the bottom. Next time, if you're doing a signing from from those major companies,
I'll show y'all today when we go in here. I'll show
you
y'all.
The barcode, that's probably connected with that. So
I'm gonna show y'all the barcode.
So the scanner, it can read it and upload it to the account easily. Yep, that's how that works. And
you also want to make sure that the barcode is not cut off when you are printing your documents. You just made it home. So I'm gonna take y'all through this whole package right quick. So be patient. I'm gonna go in here. So you want to make sure the barcode is not cut off, okay? When you're printing, that's why if it's supposed to be on letters or legal, you want to make sure you have the right paper, okay? Because a lot of times I don't have legal sign, so I just use letter. No, you have to print what it tell you to. Can you hand me my bag, babe? All right, y'all be patient. This is gonna be kind of choppy, but I'm gonna show y'all the barcode that we're talking about and just show you our process right quick. Okay, so this is live